This is 2013 D. One dime. Liberty in God we trust. 2013-D. Minted D. United States of America. One dime. The current price is $1 million. Rare new coin. 2013-D. One dime USA. If you are interested to buy this coin because this is for sale, comment your price on the comment section and write down your buying price. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to follow, don't forget to comment, like, heart, share, and download. And don't forget to call or text +63 997 692 2374. Antonio Sibacor, 404 Macalaya Placer, Surigao del Norte, Philippines. This is your chance to have this kind of rare coins. 2013-D. One dime. $1 million is the price. So try to contact +63 997 692 2374 and comment your price on the comment section. A very rare 2013-D. Liberty. One dime. Liberty in God we trust.